In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by pinching your device's display and selecting themes at the bottom. Then hit themes at the bottom left corner and pick a perfect one for you over here. I will go with this one. Now hit apply. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you need to pinch your device's screen again, hit themes, and then hit menu at the bottom right corner. Choose my stuff at the top, tap on your default theme, and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!